The current in a transistor is carried by both the electrons and the holes. Hence, it is called a bipolar junction transistor. The transistor has three doped regions which form a structure with two back-to-back PN junctions. There are two types of transistors, NPN transistor and PNP transistor. These are the circuit symbols and the schematic representation of the two types of transistors shown in the diagram. In an NPN transistor, a p-type semiconductor layer separates two layers of the n-type semiconductor. It is obtained by growing a thin layer of a p-type semiconductor in between two relatively thick layers of n-type semiconductor. Similarly, for PNP transistor, a n-type semiconductor layer separates two layers of the p-type semiconductor. It is obtained by growing a thin layer of an n-type semiconductor in between two relatively thick layers of a p-type semiconductor. The three layers of the transistor are emitter, base, and collector. The current flowing through the emitter base junction is large because it is forward biased. The base collector junction is also large though the junction is reverse biased. It is interesting to know how this is possible. And the diagram shows typical biasing circuit. The base of a transistor plays an important role in the action where electrons can flow in two directions. They can either flow through the base current and constitute the base current, that is IB, or they can flow through the collector circuit and contribute towards the collector current IC. Electrons injected from the emitter into the base diffuse into the collector base depletion region due to the thin base region. When the electrons enter the collector base depletion region, they are pushed into the collector region by the electric field at the collector base depletion region. The collector current IC flows through the external circuit as shown in this diagram. Majority of the electrons injected by the emitter into the base are thus collected by the collector and flow through the collector circuit. In this slide, we can see the possible configurations of transistor in a circuit. Those are common emitter CE, common base CB, and common collector CC.